Okay, we have here today the Amazon Echo Show. I'm gonna open this bad boy up, see what we have inside. It just arrived the other day. I'm just gonna open these out. Okay, these out. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, here we have the screen. Oh, it's really pretty, as you can see. Buttons up here, and inside the box got some cards, and we have the AC outlet. You can see right through it.
Hello, your Amazon Echo Show is ready for setup. As I install the updates, your Echo Show will restart twice. I'm back. Let's continue.
Introducing Amazon Echo Show. It's everything you love about Alexa, but now she can show you things. Play movies from Amazon Video, view your photos, or see what's on your calendar and to-do lists. And now there's a new way to be together. Make hands-free video calls to friends and family, like this. Alexa, call Tina. You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app on their phone. Ready for some music? Echo Show fills the room with bold stereo sound. Alexa, show today's most popular songs.
Here are popular songs.
Alexa, play number 2. And with Amazon Music, you can follow along to the lyrics of your favorite songs. Alexa helps you take control of your busy life. Alexa, show me sushi restaurants.
Here are a few nearby popular ones.
You can watch movie trailers or even watch your favorite shows and movies from Amazon Video. Alexa, play the Grand Tour. Alexa is always getting smarter. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy your new Echo Show from Amazon.
Your Echo Show is ready.
Alexa, how do I play music from my phone?
To play music from your mobile device, first connect your mobile device over Bluetooth and stream your music.
Alexa, how do I connect my Bluetooth?
First, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then, to enable Bluetooth on your Echo Show, say, pair my phone. When you hear, now connected, you can stream your music and media. To pair something new, go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and choose Echo Show -4R6.
Alexa, pair my phone.
Searching. You're already connected to Jason's iPhone.
Alexa, how do I raise the volume?
You can adjust volume to a level between 1 and 10. Try saying, turn it up, or set volume to level 5.
Alexa, turn it up. Alexa. Alexa, call Ryan.
Calling Ryan's mobile.
Hello?
Hey, Rye.
Hello? Hey, Jay, what's up?
Alexa, show me popular movies.
Here's what I found.
Alexa, show movies playing at the lot.
A nearby match is the Lot La Jolla. There are 4 movies playing today.
Alexa, what's the weather in San Diego?
In San Diego, California, it's 65 degrees with cloudy skies.
Alexa, how are you today?
To be honest, it's been kind of a rough day. Just kidding. I'm great.